Hello everyone, once again I am back with new video about using green screen video. As you get so many green screen video in my channel, I thought let's make video about using it. Before starting the tutorial, let me tell you some important things. We use Chroma key to remove video background. Chroma key removes the selected key color from our video and makes that part transparent. If you wonder why green color is most widely used, then the reason is because humans are not green. So green color effectively distinguishes between character and background. Luckily our smartphones are also capable of creating this effect, and our lovely kinemaster also support Chroma key. So without further delay, let's get started. Open the required project in kinemaster. Here we have selected our background and we want our character over the background. So click on layer button and then media. Now select your specific green screen video. If your phone doesn't support video layer, then watch this video. Okay, now adjust the size of your video layer. You can set it manually by scrolling like this, or click on this button to set it automatically as your requirement. Again, select your video layer and scroll down to Chroma key option. Now enable the option. Now your background is removed. Okay, to make it look more perfect, click in this show marks option. Now your video is black and white, and try to make your background most black and your foreground most white by sliding this option. Once you are satisfied, click OK. You should take care of timing and video length too. To set video at correct time, long press on the layer and scroll it at correct position. To trim the video length, again click on the video layer and scissor button and do required trimming. Now you are perfect in using video layer. Hope you enjoyed this video and learned new things. If this video was helpful, then hit the like button. Subscribe to motivate me. Thanks for watching this video.